How to log in Google account in computer. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by launching your Google Chrome in your device. Now, in your Chrome, you will see your profile icon in your top right corner. Navigate to the top right corner and click on it. Here, you will see the option of Add Account. Click on over here. Once you do so, head over and type in your email address. Then click on Next. After that, enter the password. Now once done, tap on the Continue button. Then you can add a fingerprint or any of your PIN code so that when you forget your passkey, you can actually use any of your biometric login or your laptop or PC password to continue. So that's it for this video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.